Alright, so today we're working on the 2014 Honda Forza 300. What we're going to do is pull the back tire because this one is slick. She's got 5,000 miles on an original 2014, which is 10, maybe 11 years old now. And that's the original tires because, of course, it's only 5,000 miles. So let's get this one off and we're going to put a Michelin on there. Alright, so to start with, what we're going to do is reach down here. There's a clamp here on the muffler, 12 millimeter. We're going to undo that clamp, and then there's 3 bolts holding the actual muffler on. We're going to undo those. They're 14 millimeter. Pull the muffler off out of the way. Got the 2 bolts out of the swing arm, and it's loose. Should be able to just pull it off here. Wiggle it a little so the little emergency brakes will come out of the wheel. Like so. And that's the little emergency shoes, which are in great shape still. And it looks good inside there. We'll leave this over to the side. If the little cylinder comes out at the bottom where the cable goes through, catch that, put it to the side, don't lose it. Move your shock up out of the way and we should be able to just pull the wheel right off. So it's pretty simple. Now I got to go change the tire. That's the fun part. Alright, so as you can see, or maybe you didn't see, but I have another video. I just balanced the tire. I'm not going to include it in this video because I don't want it to be too long. You want to see that, I'll start a playlist on the Honda Forza 300. You can go on and watch any of the videos. I'm sure I'll be doing reviews and stuff like that of it soon, after I get to ride it a little more. I'm going to take and put some Vaseline on here. Any wheel bearing grease will work. But Vaseline is also excellent for anything like that. Alright, sorry about that. It's just me. It's one of my things. I can't help myself, y'all. As you can see by some of my other videos, if you watch the channel, I always take extra pride in stuff I'm doing. And, check your bearing there for the axle. That feels good. No rigidity, no dryness. Somebody will never even see this. It's just a point. I like having my stuff clean. I know it's going to my brother, and it'll probably get dirty anyway. But I don't care. It's just me. I can't help myself. Just wiggle it a little till you get the splines lined up and get it to push on. Y'all have a blessed evening, and we'll see you soon.